Alright guys, so today we are going to be going on a drive in the Mustang. It might be one of the last drives of the season, if not the last, just because it's getting cold out and roads are getting a little more stony and everything. But I don't know if you guys can tell, but I gave this thing a very nice detail job and it looks amazing. Best wax I've ever used, and it came with some speed shine, so just like quick spray and wax for when bugs get on the front bumper and stuff. But I'm really excited. Oh man, I hope it starts. I haven't driven it much. Battery might be dead. Yep. All right, no problem. We got a jump pack for that. So we're gonna get this thing jumped up, and actually I might put a new battery in this thing in the coming spring, just because I feel like it shouldn't be dying as fast as it is. Although the reason it dies is because I have my LEDs plugged in, and for some reason they are always technically running. The receiver is constantly running. That blue blinking light is hanging right there. For some reason that's always running. So we're gonna jump this thing real quick. There we go. Let's pull this thing out. Definitely gonna let the car warm up a bit before we get too high in the revs. It's been a minute since I drove it. I'm gonna do a video tonight and just put it in this video too. I want to get enough pulls in there for you guys to enjoy, so. And I actually haven't done a night video yet. That's gonna be perfect, actually. I'll do a night video driving this thing. I'm glad we're putting the Mustang away this year with less than 11,000 miles. Alright guys, well, I'll see you when it's nighttime. It's gonna be the same video. That was a pretty damn boring drive to work, honestly. Probably the worst one I've had in a while. But I'll see you guys when it's nighttime. I am hype about this drive home right now. It was a pretty long day at work, but Mustang will fix that, right? Oh, there's my other friend in his Raptor. God, I love this car. This road is so fun. Gotta be careful of deer though, especially at night. Knock on wood. My sister actually hit a deer on this road, so I thought I saw a car. Gosh, I just got sad. I just realized that this might be the last drive of the year in this car. More, do a second through third pull. And that's probably the last pull of the year. So sad, but that was, if I do say so myself, a pretty good last drive of the year. Under 10,900 miles for the year, or I guess putting it away. Couldn't be happier with this car. It's been treating me amazing. So many fun pulls, so many good times. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm really trying to get my sub count up, so if you can help me out there, then it'd be greatly appreciated. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and subscribe for more. See ya.